Starbucks is launching some new products, and there's an interesting tidbit in this particular article around cold versus hot coffee beverages. Now, you, Willie Doo, are you a young man or an old man? I don't know, actually. Can you clarify that for me?
I think I'm old.
You're an old man. Okay, so that would make you over the age of 30.
Yes, it does.
Okay, so Willie Doo, over the age of 30, he is not a part of Gen Z, I guess.
No.
However, Starbucks likes Gen Z a lot.
Yeah.
Starbucks very interested in figuring out how to capture and keep that generation of individuals. And the way that they're doing that is with more cold coffee. Because the Gen Z, they love the cold coffee, Will. And we have some statistics here to prove it. Are you ready? Gen Z coffee drinkers under 30 are 2 times more likely to drink cold coffee, which has led to more than $1 billion in sales in the past 3 years. Let me just clarify that real quick for you, Will, in case you missed it. Drinkers under 30, 2 times more likely to go cold as opposed to hot, including in the cold months. They stayed at cold drinks as well. Now, let me ask you, where do you land on this? Are you old man hot coffee drinker, or are you young man cold coffee drinker?
You know, I picked up coffee like recently. I'm more of a tea guy. And I used to drink exclusively cold coffee, like iced coffee. Not the frappuccinos, but just iced coffee, regular. But that changed recently to hot coffee. Like, just in general, I enjoy hot coffee a lot more.
Hot coffee?
Yeah, I'm just old.
You're old-fashioned.
Very.
Just straight
very
up
much so.
hot coffee. Yeah, I'm with you. I do both. I'm more of a cold coffee summer guy, hot coffee winter guy.
Yeah.
But either way, we're both ancient. We're definitely not Gen Z. Cold beverage program at Starbucks has grown nearly 45% in the past 4 years.
Yeah.
The chain is going to bring out a brand new cold drink. It's I don't know, you might like this. It's the honey almond milk cold brew. You won't like it because you don't drink almond milk.
I might get hurt.
You have to just substitute the almond milk portion
To oat milk.
oat
which
milk
is great.
or milk.
Or just
It's up to
regular
you,
milk.
but actually that's another area that they're growing in Starbucks. The milks, the variety of milks. There's 17 milks you can get now.
Yeah.
You got oat milk, you got almond milk, you got
Coconut?
soy milk, obviously.
Coconut milk?
Maybe you got coconut milk. You
Yeah.
got milk. I'm sure I'm missing some milks right now. Someone's screaming about, like, you can probably get cashew milk.
Yeah. Hold
I
on.
would bet
I'm
there's,
curious.
I don't know if Starbucks carries it, but there's a lot of milks. It's all about the milk these days. Non-fat, 2%, soy, coconut, almond. That's the Starbucks offerings. And the oat milk is the hot one right now. Anyway, honey almond milk cold brew made with slow steeped cold brew coffee and topped with almond milk, available for a limited time in order to satisfy those Gen Z types. So Starbucks is not slowing down. They're speeding up. They got plenty of new products planned, new food products as well. And they recently announced plans to upgrade the pay for all of their U.S. employees to a minimum wage of $15 over the next 3 years for all the U.S. staff.
Oh.
So Starbucks,
They're doing well.
Sound like they're doing all right, whether you buy a hot coffee or a cold coffee. They'll count your money either way.
Yeah.
That coffee stuff.